We are standing in the living area that you can see is very spacious. On this side is your kitchen space, is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sri Krishna Bhumi by SK Group located in Naigaon. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, behind which we also have the actual land parcel where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres that will have one tower with two wings of ground plus 21 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with gym, clubhouse, garden, multi-purpose court, jogging track, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now before getting into the location and connectivity, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And this project is located opposite to 7 Square School, Naigaon, from where Naigaon railway station is at a distance of 10 minutes, Juchandra railway station is at a distance of 10 minutes, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 3 kilometers, and you have school, colleges, hospital with the distance of 500 meters from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's have a look at the sample flat of this project. And now, we are standing at the 2 BHK or Sri Krishna Bhumi. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 572 square feet. As you can see, we are standing in the living area that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place a two-side sofa, center table and customize a TV unit in the living. Also, you will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and attached to the living, you will be getting full French windows with a chhajja. Also, this apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. First, on this side comes your common bedroom. As we move in, you can see this is a common bedroom that is very spacious. You have walkable space. Even after placing your furniture, you can customize your makeup corner, you can customize your wardrobe. That has very nice depth, so you have enough of storage space. Again, in this bedroom as well, you have full French windows with the chhajja provided. Moving forward, this over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. You can see a walkable space in your living and dining even after placing all your furniture. This over here is your alley area that has entrance to a common washroom, kitchen and bedroom. First, on this side is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can also see you have space provided to place your refrigerator. And again, you have a utility balcony attached to your kitchen where you can place your washing machine. Opposite to your kitchen space is a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move into the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your TV unit in this corner. And you will also be getting full French windows with the chhajja provided in your master bedroom. This over here will be your private washroom entrance that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you can see you have storage space provided above the washroom. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sri Krishna Bhumi. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sri Krishna Bhumi by SK Group located in Naigaon.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.